Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Genevieve B. Bartarkas, and today we will be learning about the different types of fronts. But before proceeding, let us unlock what is a weather front. So, a weather front is a transition zone between two different air masses at the Earth's surface. Each air mass has unique temperature and humidity characteristics. Often there is a turbulence at the front, which is the borderline where two different air masses come together. The turbulence can cause clouds and storms. Instead of causing clouds and storms, some fronts just like it change in temperature. However, some storm fronts start Earth's largest storms. Tropical waves are fronts that developed in tropical Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Africa. These fronts can develop into tropical storms or hurricanes if conditions allow. So fronts move across the Earth's surface over multiple days. The direction of the movement is often guided by high winds, such as jet streams. So landforms like mountains can also change the path of a front. So there are different types of fronts, namely cold front, warm fronts, stationary fronts, and occluded fronts. So first, let us know what is a cold front. So, a cold front structure will be visible when a cold air mass drives into a warmer air mass. Cold fronts can create sensational changes in the weather. They move quickly, up to twice as quick as warm front. As a cold front moves into the place, the heavier, the more thick, cool air pushes under the lighter, which is less thick, warmer air, making it ascended into the lower atmosphere. Lifted warm air in the front of the front produces cumulus or cumulonimbus clouds and rainstorms. As the cold front passes, winds become windy. There is an unexpected drop in the temperature, and a further substantial downpour once in a while with thunder and lightning. Climatic pressure changes from the trembling of ascending at the front. After a cold front travel through a certain region, you may feel that the temperature become cooler. The downpour has halted and the cumulus clouds are supplanted by stratus and stratocumulus clouds or clear sky. The second front is the warm front. So a warm front structure when a warm air mass drives into a cooler air mass. Warm fronts regularly bring blustery weather as the warm air mass at the surface transcends the cool air mass, making clouds and the tempests. Warm fronts move more gradually than cold fronts since it is harder for the warm air to push the cold, thick air across the Earth's surface. Warm fronts frequently structure on the east side of low pressure frame where warmer air from the south is pushes north. The third front is the stationary front. A stationary front will be visible if the structure when a cold front or warm front quit moving. This happens when two masses of air are pushing against one another, yet nor it is adequately incredible to move the other. Winds blowing corresponding to the front rather than opposite can help it stay set up. A stationary front may wait for a quite long. On the off chance that the wind heading chances, the front will begin moving once more, getting either a cold warm front or then again the front may break. The last front is the occluded front. Here and there, a cold front follows directly behind a warm front. A warm air mass drives into the cooler air mass, and afterwards, another cool air mass drives into the warm air mass. Since cold fronts move quicker, the cold front is probably going to surpass the warm front.